the topic factorizations of algebraic expressions. Let's see the first identity. The first identity is a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let's see an example. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, which equal to 8a cube is 2a whole cube plus b cube plus 3 into a square into b, that is 3 into, here a is 2a whole square into b, here b is b, plus 3 into a into b square, 3 a is 2a into b is b, that is 3 into 2a into b square. Let's check the first line with the second line. 2a whole cube equal to 8a cube plus b cube, these two are same. 2 square is 4, 4 into 3 12, a square b, here is also a square b, and 3 into 2 6, ab square, that is 6ab square. So this line and this line are same, these two expressions are equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to a plus b whole cube. So here a is 2a plus, this is b, 2a plus b whole cube equal to 2a plus b whole cube equal to 2a plus b into 2a plus b into 2a plus b, and this is the answer. Let's see the second identity. Second identity is a minus b whole cube equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Let's see an example. 27p cube minus 1 by 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus p by 4. Here 27p cube is 3p whole cube minus 1 by 216 is 1 by 6 whole cube minus 3 into a square into b. Here a is 3p whole square into b is 1 by 6 plus 3 into a into b square. 3 into a is 3p into b is 1 by 6. 1 by 6 whole square. Let's check the second line with the first line. 9p whole cube, that is 27p cube, 1 by 6 whole cube, 1 by 216. So these two expressions are same. And 3 square is 9. 9 into 3 by 6 is 9 by 2. And here is p square, and there is also p square. And 3 into 3 9. 9 by 6 9. And 1 by 6 is 1 by 6 whole square is 36. 9 by 36 is 1 by 4. Here is 1 by 4, and here is p, and so this one is p by 4, and this is also p by 4. So these two lines are same, which equal to, the formula is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square equal to a minus b whole cube. That is, here a is 3p and b is 1 by 6 whole cube equal to 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6 into 3p minus 1 by 6. And this is the final answer. Let's see the final identity. The final identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. Let's see an example. Here 27x cube is 27 is 3x whole cube minus y cube minus z cube minus 9xyz equal to 3x whole cube minus y cube is plus minus y whole cube plus minus z cube is plus minus z whole cube minus 3 into a into b into c. Here a is 3x, b is minus y, and c is minus z. Now 3 into 3, 9. Here is 9. X into y into z. Here is x, y, z. And sign minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. So this one is 9 minus 9 x, y, z, and this one is also minus 9 x, y, z. So these two lines are same. Equal to, let's see the formula. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ac. So a plus b plus c is 3x, b is minus y, c is minus z into a square. Here a square is 3x whole square. B square is minus y whole square, that is plus y square, and c square is minus z whole square, that is plus z square, minus ab, minus a is 3x and b is minus y, minus bc. Here b is minus y and c is minus z. So minus y into minus z and minus ac. Here a is 3x and b is minus z, that is 3x into minus z. 3x into minus z, which equal to 3x minus y minus z into 3x whole square means 9x square plus y square plus z square minus into minus plus xy plus 3xy minus into minus plus into minus minus yz, and final one is minus into minus plus 3 into x into z, and this is the final answer. Hope you can understand these three identities. Thanks for watching.